Life is busy, we're all juggling work, fitness, friends, and trying to find a moment to breathe. In this fast-paced world, our tech should make life easier, not more complicated. That's where the R8 smartwatch comes in. Unlike other smartwatches that try to do everything, the R8 focuses on what matters: fitness, health, and staying connected. It's simple, efficient, and designed to blend seamlessly into your routine. With quick access to your stats and notifications, it works for you, not the other way around. The R8 is your silent partner, helping you hit your goals and stay on top of what's important. In this review, we'll explore its clean design, bright display, core features, and impressive battery life. Most importantly, we'll see if it delivers all this at a price that makes sense. Let's dive in and find out if the R8 is the lifestyle assistant you've been waiting for. Stay tuned. Let's start with design. The R8 smartwatch features a sleek, circular metal case that looks great anywhere: gym, office, or out with friends. It's lightweight and comfortable, with a soft silicone strap you can swap to match your style. The vibrant touchscreen is easy to read even in sunlight, and the interface is intuitive, no manual needed. One main button keeps things simple. Everything else is handled by the responsive touchscreen. Swiping through menus is smooth, and essential features are always just a tap away. The minimalist design means no clutter, just a modern, user-friendly experience. The R8 doesn't scream for attention, but its subtle elegance fits any look. Solid build quality and attention to detail make it a pleasure to wear every day. It's a thoughtfully designed piece of tech you'll actually want on your wrist. That's half the battle for any wearable. The R8 is more than just stylish. It's packed with health and fitness features. Continuous heart rate monitoring gives you real-time insights into your cardiovascular health. It tracks steps, distance, calories, and offers multiple sport modes for activities like running and cycling. Real-time stats help you stay motivated and push your limits. Automatic sleep tracking breaks down your sleep cycles, helping you improve rest and energy. The companion app presents your data in simple charts. No expertise needed. Gentle reminders to move keep you active, even on busy days. The R8 makes healthy living simple and accessible. The R8 delivers smart features that matter. Get calls, messages, and app notifications right on your wrist. No more constant phone checks. Control your music, check the weather, and access practical tools with a swipe. The focus is on useful, everyday functions, not overwhelming you with extras. Battery life is a standout, over a week on a single charge, so you can track sleep and activity without worry. Fast magnetic charging gets you powered up quickly. And the price? The R8 offers premium features at a fraction of the cost of big-name brands. It's incredible value for money. If you want a reliable, stylish, and affordable smartwatch, the R8 is a smart choice. Great tech, made accessible for everyone.